So I recently purchased a brand new Power Wheels Ford Raptor, and the plan is to make it into a crazy go-kart. But the first thing we gotta do is build it as it comes in the box. So let's get started. Very comfortable. All right, first impressions. It is smaller than I expected, even though it is the biggest Power Wheels. For comparison, here's my average sized hand next to the door handle. Oh, and there's a bit of shoddy build quality as well. All right, well, let's plug in the battery and get building. That was all or nothing.
Nice. There we go. Yeah, doing a burnout. Just on one. That was exciting. More functional, true. Does it fit in the back though? Pretty much the same. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh, now when you fall, you'll impale yourself. That's a great idea. Watch out, gee.